How to fix a stuck print spooler error step by step. To fix a stuck print spooler, you need to stop the service, delete the stuck files, and start everything again. Doing only half of the process does not work. Below, you will see exactly where to click and what to do at each step. What are we fixing? The spooler is the service that holds files before the printer prints them. When one file has an error, it locks the entire queue. The idea here is to empty this queue with the service turned off to fix the error. Opening the System Services window. On the keyboard, press the Windows plus R keys at the same time. In the window that opens, type services.msc and press Enter. A list of system services will appear. Stopping the print spooler service. In the list, look for print spooler. Right-click on it and choose Stop. Wait a few seconds until the status changes. This is important to avoid errors later. Accessing the folder where the stuck files are located. Now, open File Explorer. Go to the path. C:\Windows\System32\Spool\Printers. If permission is requested, confirm it. Inside this folder will be the files stuck in the queue. Deleting the print queue files. Select all files inside the printers folder and delete them. These files are temporary and can be deleted safely. Quick curiosity, this is where almost all freezing actually happens. Starting the spooler again. Go back to the Services window. Right-click on Print Spooler and now choose Start. The service will be reactivated with a clean queue. Testing the print properly. Open a simple document, such as Notepad, and send it to print. If it prints normally, the error has been fixed. Otherwise, it's worth restarting the computer and testing again. In summary, stopping the spooler, deleting the files in the printers folder, and starting the service fixes most stuck printing errors. It's a simple process when done in the correct order. Did you already know this path or did you always try just canceling the print?